This is Access Chapter 2, 1B. Again, follow the naming convention. Alright, open the property listing query in Design View. Delete the client number field. And exit, save. Create a new query in Design View based on the manager table. Okay, manager table. Create query design. And we're going to use the manager table. Alright. Add the fields manager ID. I'm double clicking on these, by the way, to add them. And make sure you do them in the order listed. Last name, first name, start date. Add ascending sort order to the start date field. Start date. Ascending. Run. Exit. Save. We're going to name it Manager Date Query. Create a new parameter query in Design View based on the client table. Okay, client table. Create query design. And we're going to use the client table. Close. Alright. Add the manager ID. Client number, client name, city, state. In that order. Add the criterion. Okay, in state field. Go to let's see. Add the criterion, including brackets in the state field. Run. Enter the state NJ. Hit OK. We're going to save. We're going to name it State Client Query. Create a new query in Design View based on the manager and client tables with the following options. So we're going to go create query design, and we're going to use the manager and client. Add the client name from the client table. Add the first name, last name, phone number from the manager table. So we're going to go first name, last name, phone number. Save the query with the name Manager Client Query. So go Manager Client. Save. File. Save. Manager Client Query. Save. Run. And exit. Open the Unique Cities query in Design View. Modify the query to list all cities only once. Properties. Unique values. Yes. Okay. Open the Unique Cities query in Design View. Modify the query to list all cities only once. Click the second field in the Design Grid. Open the Properties sheet and then change the Unique Values property for the query. Run the query and then save and close it. I should only get 17 records. And there's only 17. So exit, save. Alright. Create a crosstab query. So we'll create query wizard, crosstab. We're going to use the based on the client table. And use only data from the client table in the crosstab. Use a state field for the row headings. Use manager ID for the column heading. Include row sums. Use the sum amount. Where's sum? Oh yes, include row sums. Sum. Okay. Use the sum of the amount paid field as the calculated value for each row and column intersection, and include row sums in the crosstab query. Next. Save it. As specified. View the query. Alright. Alright. Open the top values query in Design View. Modify the query to sort the balance amounts in descending order. Balance. Descending order. And just 25%. Run. There we go. View the query, then save and exit. Alright. Open the Delaware Manager query. Add the criteria to select only those records where the Manager ID field is equal to KS02. Manager ID field is KS02 and the state value is equal to DE. Run. Exit. Save. Open the total amount query. Modify the query by creating a calculated field to to compute the total amount paid and balance. So we're going to click here, zoom, going to add a criteria and create a new column here. Change the font to 12 so it's more legible, and hit OK. And we're going to run. Exit, save. Open the caption query in design view. Modify the query by adding the caption owed for the balance field. See, balance and caption field. OWED. Enter. Run the query. Okay. And exit and save. Open the no balance query in design view. Modify the query to show only records where the balance field is 0. And run. Okay. Exit. Save. Open the New Jersey Properties query. Hide the state field. Then save and close it. Exit. Save. Open the MDDE Properties query. Add the criterion to select only those records where the state field is equal to MD, and DE. And run. Exit. Save. Open the multiple sort query in design view. Modify the query to sort the records in descending order by manager ID. Modify the query to sort the records in descending order first by manager ID and then by the client name field. Run. Exit. Save. Open the small balances query. Add the criterion to select only those records where the value in the balance field is less than 2,000. Run. Exit. Save. Open the amount paid by manager query. And modify it, adding the totals query. Totals. And for the manager ID field, select group by, and the amount paid field, sum. Run. Exit. Save. Open the M client query in design view. Add the M wildcard to the client name field. Run. Exit. Save. Use the report wizard to create a new report shown in figure 1 on the next page based on the all clients query. Let's go all client query, create, and we're going to use the report wizard. We're going to use include all fields from the all clients query. We're going to use group the report by last name field. And use no additional sorting in the report. We're going to use the stepped and portrait orientation. Set the name of the report, all clients report. And hit finish. There we go. Exit. Do a compact database. Okay. Have to exit out. Re-enter. Database tools, compact and design, and exit. Now pause while I submit it. That is another 100. That one's perfect first try. So follow these instructions and you'll get 100 on this as well.